TISMAT is the new exam which introduced by the TISS last year for all the students those who have applied for the HRM LR and the ODCL courses. So last year TIS had changed the paper pattern. Along with the TISNET, you have to write TISMAT also only for these two courses, HRM LR and the ODCL. And for other courses, you just have to write the TISNET exam. So TISMAT is nothing but the management aptitude test. So let's have a detailed information about the TISMAT. But before that, if you want to start your preparation, you can join online coaching, guys. You can call on this number and you can join the online live classes. Due to coronavirus pandemic, classrooms are not functioning. So that's why online live classes you can start with. So coming to the TISMAT management aptitude test for all the students those who have applied only for the HRMLR and the ODCL courses, to all of them have to write TISMAT along with the TISNET exam. As I said earlier, this is what the detailed paper pattern for TISMAT. Comprehension 15 questions for 15 marks, management data interpretation 15 questions for 15 marks, and business awareness 15 questions for 15 marks. So overall 45 questions for 45 marks, and time bandwidth to complete this paper is nothing but 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes you have to complete 45 questions, even not 1 minute to one question. So you have to be very quick. By the same time, you have to maintain your accuracy also, guys, because there is a negative marking which is nothing but the 0.25 marks, and for right answer there is a 1 marks. And very important, there is no any sectional cutoff so far. In TISNET there is a GK sectional cutoff, but in TISMAT there is no any sectional cutoff. This is what the detailed paper pattern for management aptitude test. So last year TIS process got changed. So all the students those who applied for only HRMLR and the ODCL courses, they have to write TISNET along with the TISMAT. After then there will be DAF process, which is nothing but a detailed application form, and further pre-interview test and personal interview. After then you get selected for the TIS campus. So TISMAT score play a very important role in your selection. So don't take TISMAT preparation lightly, guys, specific to the GK and the DI part. This is what the detailed syllabus for your business GK which comes in your TISMAT. Merger and acquisitions, top company CEOs, brand ambassador, brand tagline, new upcoming product or the product which is launched, major share market of the world. So if you have joined live session, so everything gets covered. You don't have to worry about the GK, which is very important when it's come to the TISNET and the TISMAT, both the exams. Data interpretation 15 question in TISMAT and bare minimum 7 to 8 question in TISNET also. Table, bar chart, line chart, pie chart and mixed graph. This is what a detailed syllabus for your DI. Out of this, pie chart most commonly asked in the exam, and mixed graph also, like along with the pie chart they will give you the table, or along with the pie chart they will give you the bar graph. So such type of the mixed graph question you will get. And last, which is the most scoring area, which is nothing but the reading comprehension. You just have to read the passage, read the paragraph, and you have to mark the answer. So make sure your reading speed has to be good along with the comprehension skill. So while you are reading the paragraph, you should understand also, then only you can mark the answer. And finally comes selection process for these two courses, HRMLR and the ODCL. As I said earlier, TISNET and TISMAT, both the exam you have to write. TISNET is just a qualifying exam, and TISMAT 30% weightage, pre-interview test PIT 40% weightage, and personal interview which is nothing but the PI 30% weightage. So although you have cleared your TISNET, guys, but you flunk in TISMAT, then you will not get shortlisted for these two courses. So you have to perform well equally in both the exam. So I hope you have cleared your all the doubts regarding the TISMAT, which is nothing but the management aptitude test. And in case if you want to start your preparation, you can join live lectures. To join online live lecture, you can call on 8828581455. So if you have joined online live lecture, books, mock series, sectional, full course, everything will be complimentary for you. But in case if you want to join only pre-recorded videos, full course or the books or the mock series, kindly visit menuedu.com/MBA entrance. Same link I have given in the description. So kindly check the description and do hit the subscribe button, guys, to get more updates about the TISNET. All the very best. Thank you.